Hey everyone, welcome to TechWide. In this video, we are going to solve problem number 1491, average salary excluding the minimum and maximum salary. First, we will see the explanation of the problem statement, then the logic and the code. Now let's dive into the solution. So here I have taken the first example from the Leetcode website. So in this problem, we are given salary array input where we need to find the average salary of the employees by excluding the maximum salary and the minimum salary. We just need to exclude them in the calculation, right? So in this case, 1000 and 4000 will be removed, and we need to take average between 3000 and 2000. So if I add these two, I will be getting 5000. Then I will divide by 2. Since we have two values, so the answer will be 2500, right? So now we will see how we are going to do this. So initially we will pick the minimum and maximum value, right? So the minimum value is 1000 and the maximum value in the input is 4000. Then I'm going to sum all the values in the input array. So if I sum the values, I'm going to get 10,000, right? So now I need to exclude 1000 and 4000. I need to avoid these two salaries, right? I need to reduce these two salaries from the total salary. So we are going to have 5000 here. Then we need to pick the number of employees. Since we have excluded two employees' salary, that is 4000 and 1000, we need to reduce 2. So initially we will take length of the salary input, which is nothing but 4. Then we will reduce 2. Since we are excluding two salaries, right? That is the minimum and maximum. So we need to reduce 2. So we will be having 2. Then I need to divide total salary by 2. That is the number of employees. So I will end up having 2500. So I will return this as answer, right? That's how the logic is. Now we will see the code. So before we code, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future, and also check out my previous videos and keep supporting, guys. So initially I will pick the minimum salary using the minimum function. Then I will pick the maximum salary using the max function. Then I will calculate the total salary by summing all the values in the salary input, right? Then we will subtract the minimum salary and the maximum salary from the total salary, right? Then I will calculate the number of employees using length function. So this will give me the total number of salaries present in the input. Then I will reduce 2, since we are excluding minimum salary and maximum salary. Then finally, I will divide total salary by number of employees, right? That's how the code is. Now we will run the code. We can also write this code in one line rather than using many variables here. So this will be the one line code for this particular problem. So if I run this code and if I run this, it works. So the time complexity for this particular problem is order of n, and space will be order of 1. That is constant space, right? Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future. And also check out my previous videos. Keep supporting. Happy learning. Cheers guys.